Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. I will have this video out Friday, and today I'm recording it on a Thursday. I just wanted to go over my expense tracker, and y'all, the AC unit did get replaced. So Monday morning, I was asleep, and the maintenance guy was just knocking on the door and just saying, you know, hey, go ahead and turn the air on, and that was it. But they still haven't came to get the window unit yet, so I just unplugged it and left it in the window. I will, if they don't come get it on their own, I'll most likely call them on my off day, which is Monday, to let them know, hey, don't forget, you know, you all need to come get your window unit, just so they won't think that I would steal it or anything like that. But I do want to make sure that they come get it and also put the screens back in the window. So this is the pre-paycheck budget, and I'll show you all the actual budget. Now, let's go ahead and check in from the day that I got paid until yesterday, which was Wednesday. Hang on. Okay, y'all. So, I still haven't went to the ATM machine, and by the time that you all see this, I would only end up getting $100 from the ATM machine, which I still may do. Not quite sure. So on July, I didn't put a date. Oh goodness. So I'm assuming July the 10th maybe. I know what it was. I was supposed to put July the 10th, but I ended up making it a $sign. So July the 10th, I did get my retina. I did get my prescription from Walmart, and that was $39 that I paid for with my Chime card. And then I did just a little grocery shopping because I knew we needed some stuff, but I didn't really know what we needed. So I just got just a little bit of things, and that was $41. And for groceries, I ended up with $159 out of $200. July the 11th, I did get some Body Armor fruit punch, kind of like Gatorade, and y'all, I got it because it was on sale. And with tax, I think it was an 8 count, 12 count, I don't remember, 12 fluid ounces, and I believe it was 8 or $5 or $4 and some change. I did pay for it with Navy Federal, which made me have $153 left for grocery on the 14th of July, which I did make these the same day. I just had the money taken out at different times. So I got some paper towel, which I will get that by Amazon today. And this was just stuff that I didn't want to go to Walmart for. So I said, let me just place an order on Amazon and go from there. So I got paper towel. I did get this right here. Hold on. So I did end up getting Ocean Spray Craisins, but in sour blueberry lemon flavor. And y'all, these are so good to me. And even if you check out the reviews, they are pretty good. So this is a 6-ounce bag. And okay, so the craisins were $3.99. I did grab some popcorn, and I haven't opened it yet. I did end up getting Capri Sun. Y'all, I haven't had Capri Sun in years. So I was going for the bottle Capri Sun, but it would have took long to get here. So I just said, you know what, let me just order this one, and I did. So all together, I ended up spending round up $23. I also wanted to try these Nature Valley protein smoothie chewy snacks. So this is what they look like. It's only 5 bars. So for the protein bars, it is 10 grams of protein, and I just wanted to try this just to have something extra for a snack. Of course, I did get paper towel, popcorn, Capri Suns, the body armor drink, and all of that. So back to my expense tracking, and y'all, I don't know where this chicken scratch came from because I know I can do better. But it's okay. I can understand it all. So right here, I ended up writing this over a couple of times. For the 16th, I went to Walmart, which was yesterday. I actually did grocery shop. And altogether, I did spend $75. It was actually $74 and I think 75 cents. So I just sent $75 to Navy Federal. That way I can pay it back. And now I have $65 for grocery. But remember, I haven't went to the ATM machine. So what I'm going to do is send $5 back to savings, which I will put a screenshot here. Send $5 back to savings and put that in the car fund. That way I can make the car fund now $90 since I did take the money out for the tires that I just got. I also have $21 for spending, but I did add $1 that I had for spending. I did take $1 and add it to grocery to make it $140. And then after grocery shopping, I have $65 in grocery, $20 for gas, and $20 for spending, which I am going to get some change. That way I'm able to wash later today. But other than that, that's it. I did pay the $59 to my retina bill. I actually sent my doctor a message as well, letting her know, hey, I don't want to come in December to do that dye test because y'all, if you're like me and have small veins and you don't get a person that know what they're doing, yeah, they will just stick you until you just say, okay, stop. So I ended up sending her a message, and she'll probably reply back within 2 days or so. And I just asked and let her know that I didn't want to do the dye test and, just cancel the appointment altogether because I haven't had inflammation since I first started, which was almost 2 years ago in December. So there's really no need for me going back to the retina specialist. Now, if I start having trouble, that's when I'll go back. But for right now, there's no need for me to, keep getting billed $100 and something or $200 and something just to go back because this has been 2 years in December. So I think from all the times that I've went, I believe everything has cleared up, and of course we'll just go from there. But other than that, this is my check-in. I definitely need to edit this video, and I've just been staying in the house. And the purpose of me, shopping on Amazon is because I was able to pretty much order what I want and not have to go into the store where I may end up spending way much more money. Like yesterday when I went grocery shopping, I actually only bought groceries, literally. I got chicken. Gotta have chicken wings, y'all. Ooh, I should have bought barbecue sauce. Well, I'm not in a rush for that. Chicken wings, milk, stuff like that. But other than that, I did not buy any candy type stuff like I normally would. I did not buy any Skittles. I wanted to, but I put them back. Willpower, y'all. But have a happy Friday, everyone. Bye.